Welcome back to the Island of Sodor. Everyone is having a wonderful time at Sir Topham Hatt's birthday party. Let's find out what deliveries they need. Help the engine collect all the missing items and deliver them to the castle to keep the party going.
Guests. Cake. Milk.
All of these engines want to help with Sir Topham Hatt's birthday party. Just tap any engine to select it.
Thomas.
These party guests need to get to the castle. To move forward, just slide the engine at the bottom of the screen in the direction of the arrow. New buildings are being constructed on Sodor every day. You can choose what goes where and customize the island. Tap on the construction yard. Time to decide what you want to build. There are lots of different buildings to choose from. A windmill. Well done. You've made the island even more beautiful. Look, there's something beside the track. Can you see the X mark? I wonder if it might be treasure. Tap the chest to open it and discover what's inside. You've discovered the rare train wheels treasure. It belongs at the castle, where it can be put on display. The orchard. The engines think that choice was great. To go backwards, slide the engine in the other direction. You'll go slower, but it's useful if you've missed things and would like to go back. A big red bar. Well done. You've made the island even more beautiful. All these passengers are invited to the party. They can't wait to get to the castle. Just drag a passenger coach and drag it behind the... What a really useful helper you are. Just drag a passenger coach and drag... Time to decide what you want to build. There are lots of different buildings to choose from. A washdown. Thank you for helping to choose a new building. Thanks for your help. The party will be the best in all of Sodor. Punch the ticket. Some of the deliveries have already been made. Help the engines deliver more to keep the party going.
Piercy!
There's a really big cake waiting for collection at the flour mill. The sheep enclosure. The engines think that choice was great. Country cottage. Well done. You've made the island even more beautiful. Time to decide what you want to build. There are lots of different buildings to choose from. The signal box. Thank you for helping to choose a new building. What a beautiful cake! Sir Topham Hatt will be very happy. Place the cake very gently onto your engine's flatbed. Place the cake very gently onto your engine's flatbed. Great! The chest to open it and discover what's inside. Sir Topham Hatt will love this. This will be the crowning treasure on display at the castle. What a really useful helper you are! Your engines are making deliveries in record time. What a beautiful cake! Run out already? Help the engine go and get some more.
Henry!
We're making milkshakes and need some milk from the Sodor dairy. the chest to open it and discover what's inside. What a special discovery! A dinosaur fossil. Help the engine deliver it to the castle. The party guests are very thirsty and are waiting for their milkshakes. Time to deliver the milk. Just press on the milk tank and drag it across to the car behind the engine. Great! Thanks for your help. The party will be the best in all of Sodor. The party guests are very thirsty and are waiting for their milkshakes.
Balloons. Gifts. Instruments.
We need more goods to keep this party going. On to the next destination.
Emily.
Some big bunches of balloons will help the party look very special.